In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Payoneer account to your Shutterstock contributor profile. This ensures your earnings are received quickly and securely. First, open your browser and go to the Shutterstock contributor login page. Log into your account with your username and password and complete any two-factor authentication if needed. Once logged in, go to Account Settings in the top right corner and click Edit. Next, scroll down to Payout Options or Payout Information. Here, you can select your preferred payment method. Choose Payoneer. If you already have a Payoneer account, you'll be redirected to the Payoneer login page. Enter your credentials to connect your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new Payoneer account directly from this page. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once everything is connected, Payoneer will verify your account and you'll receive confirmation via email. And that's it. Your Shutterstock account is now linked to Payoneer, making it easy to receive your earnings. Thanks for watching and happy contributing.